Guys, it's Olatech here, and this is an update I brought to you, which is going to pay you 1,000 naira for free. So, and you can also earn more. As for me, I earn more than 5,000 naira daily on this website. Okay, so this is how it is. Once you have registered, I'm going to drop a link. So tap on that link. You register with your phone number, and it's going to brought you yeah, you are going to be brought to this interface. Once you have logged in, right, you come to your home interface, then you will give 100 naira for registration. This is a registration bonus of 100 naira, right? Then you can come to this share, right? So let it load. And no, come to home. I think come to home. Then you see here you can actually complete these tasks to earn. See, complete now. Yeah, complete new user task to earn 800 naira. So tap on that. Okay, so you can do all these tasks to earn, to make your balance 1,000 naira. So once your balance is 1,000 naira, then you can withdraw instantly to your bank. This is how to withdraw. So let me even show you how to link your WhatsApp. Okay, um this one completes a question. Just do it, pick any random answer and earn the commission. Also, this one, do it. All right, now for this linking of WhatsApp, let me show you how to link WhatsApp. Just tap on check. Okay, once you tap on check, it's going to bring you to this interface. Tap on login to WhatsApp. So I advise you guys to use your secondary WhatsApp for this update. Like your main WhatsApp, don't use your main WhatsApp, since to be on the safer side. But if you use your main WhatsApp, it doesn't mean there's any harm it is going to cause to you. But I just advise that you should use your secondary WhatsApp. Okay, so to link your WhatsApp, because you're actually going to need to link your WhatsApp to this website to be earning daily, to be earning consistently. And if you refer people and they also link their WhatsApp, you'll be getting commission up to 3,800 naira from those your referrals. Okay, so I personally earn not less than 5,000 naira daily on this website, due to that I have a lot of people under me. I have some people under me that actually linked their WhatsApp up to date. Okay, so and they are also earning, they are also withdrawing. I have an updates group. I'm actually going to drop my WhatsApp updates group. You can also join for early updates. Okay, so you go ahead and tap on this link with phone number instead. So tap on this, then you put the phone number you want to link. Let's say I want to link my WhatsApp. Okay, so I just tap on get code. Once I tap on get code, sorry guys, once I tap on get code, it's going to bring me a code. It's going to provide me a code that I can actually use to link. You see, it has provided me this code, this 8 digits code. So all you have to do is just to go to your WhatsApp. Okay, go to your WhatsApp, then here these three dots at the top right corner, you tap on it and it's going to show you something like this: linked devices. Go right, you tap on this, then you can tap on link a device, tap on use mobile data, you continue with your fingerprint, then link with phone number. Yeah, here, yeah, you see link with phone number at the down, tap on it, then you can input this code. Okay, this code, you can actually input this code. So I'm going to input it. Once you input it, it's going to load and it's going to be added successfully. It might ask you to put a username for that website you want to link. You can just put H5 anyhow. So once you have linked your WhatsApp successfully, you are going to be able to claim you are going to be able to claim this reward, right? This login to WhatsApp successfully, right? You tap on this to claim the reward. Then you do all this. So once you make your balance, do all the tasks and make your balance 1,000 naira. So once your balance is 1,000 naira, then you withdraw. This is how to withdraw. You tap on withdraw. Okay, then this is it. You tap on it, has actually selected 1,000 naira for you. So all you have to do is just to bind your bank. Here you bind your bank, you tap on that to bind your bank. Okay, so here you put your bank name, I usually use OPay to withdraw. So bank account number, so you put your account number here and your bank name, then you submit it, then you can proceed to place the withdrawal. Once you tap on submit, the withdrawal will actually drop instantly to your bank, instantly. So that's how it is. So all you have to do is just to leave your WhatsApp linked to this website to keep earning, because And also you can come here, tap on invite to copy your referral link. Once you copy your referral, this second one, this URL2 is your referral link. Copy it, then send it to your friends and family. They should also do the same thing. They should repeat the same process, and you'll be earning commission for referring them. You'll be earning commission up to 3,800 naira. So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. I see you guys in the next video.